Dale, Dan from the Family Mile here. Today is Workout Wednesday, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you a workout that you can do if you live in a maisonette, flat or terraced housing that makes low noise and impact to your neighbours. So we are going to use resistance, so again, if you've got some light weights laying around, that's brilliant. If not, we've got obviously milk bottles with some water in them, tin cans, household items that you can use just to create a little bit of resistance. So firstly, we're going to do squats. Now the reason I always choose squats in a workout is they work one of the largest sets of muscle groups in the body. And it's also really important, if you work the legs, it's a big compound movement, really can elevate the heart rate by switching it up with an upper body movement as well. So we'll start with a squat, and we're going to use your resistances as well. At the top of the squat, you're then going to do an upright row. So basically you squat and upright row. Now an upright row, you bring the elbows up high as you can, in line with your ears, down into the middle, into your squat, and upright row, okay? So again, squat, feet shoulders apart, toes pointing forward, bum out, chest out, keep your head up as you come down into your upright row. Okay, so that's our first exercise. So we're going to start off, we're going to do 3 sets of 20 reps. Okay, so 20 reps. 3, 2, 1, and off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Really good. So now what you're going to do, give yourself about 30 seconds rest, maximum, and then again go in for another 20 reps. Repeat that until you've done 3 sets worth. Now I'm just going to show you 1 set, and then move on to the next exercise. But you can now pause the video, do your 30 seconds rest, and do another 2 sets of that exercise. Okay, so we're going to keep doing this blood shift technique. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go into what I call a split lunge stance or a split squat stance. From here, simply going to drop down and back up. So we're not, bounding around or jumping into them. We're starting in the split, you're going to come down, up and curl, down, up and curl. So again, what we're going to do, 20, so you do 10 on one side, 10 on the other, and we're again, 30 seconds rest, 3 sets, you can pause the video. So, let's do the first 20 together, 3, 2, 1, and down, and curl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then change your stance. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so then give yourself a little bit of rest. It says maximum of 30 seconds, and you'll do another 2 sets. So pause the video here and do it 2 more times. Okay, so we're going to stick with this shift technique, and so what we're going to do next, we're going to do a hip bridge followed by a tricep dip. So what you want to do is you'll find the edge of your sofa or chair. You can do it from the floor as well, and so if you're doing it from the floor, simply laying down, feet bring up to your heels as far as you can, and you lift your bum and back down. So that's for your hip bridge. But if you can, you're going to use the surface, place your shoulder blades on the surface, Hands across your chest, drop the bum down, and then lift. Really force the hips up in the air. So again, we're going to do 20 of these. We're then going to do those 20, then straight into 20 tricep dips. So start with 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then tricep dips, you want to be bum off the edge. Now, up to you, you can either put your feet out and bent like that to make it a little bit easier, or put your legs out straight to make it a little bit harder. So 20 of these, and away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So once more, you don't need to give yourself any rest really between these, because you're going legs, then upper body, back to legs. And if you shift straight away from one into the other, you'll elevate that heart rate just a little bit more, so you're getting a little bit of a cardio-ish type workout as well. So again, another 2 sets of those. I've demonstrated 1, pause the video here, continue with another 2. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is a bit like a static squat whilst doing what we call a reverse fly. So normally to do a reverse fly, you bend the legs slightly, lean forwards from your hips, so you've got a slight bend, and you're going to bring these up, squeezing your shoulder blades together, like so. Now how we make it a bit more like a static squat, it's quite simple, we just bend the legs more. So we're down a lot lower, we lean forwards, and in that way it's going to be an emphasis on the quads a lot more at the same time as we're working the back. So again, we're going to hold that half static squat position and do the reverse flies until we've completed 20 reps. So 3, 2, 1, into the squat, and 1, 2, 3. So you're really trying to squeeze your shoulder blades together on this one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5 more, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So once more, give yourself 30 seconds rest, and then go in again another 20 reps, till we've done it a total of 3 times. And then what I like to do, I always like to finish a workout with a little bit of core work, abdominals, and your lower back. So to start off with, again, we go straight from one into the other. We're just going to go with standard crunches and what we call a dorsal raise or a hyperextension. So standard crunches from here, fingers by your temples or across your chest, whichever you find more comfortable. And you just lift the head and shoulders, squeezing the abdominals, and lower them back down to the ground. So we're going to do 20 of those, and then we're going to go into 20 hyperextensions, which again, you've probably seen me demonstrate before. Hands on your lower back, in like a diamond. You're going to lift your head and shoulders, keeping your feet on the floor, up and back down. So we're going to do 20 and 20. So we'll do the first lot together again. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, and 5 more. And that's 20. And then onto your front, hands behind your back, 20 of these. And 1. Halfway. Two more, and 20. And again, with that one, because it's one exercise into another, you can go straight back in to your sit-ups or your crunches, straight into your hyperextensions. So again, 3 sets of those, complete another 2 now, pause the video. So that is a nice easy way to do an all body workout that's silent, shifts from the legs to the upper body to get the heart rate going a little bit, and also covers all your major muscle groups as well. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay safe. See you soon.